Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Shruti and I am turning 21 this month. So November is my birthday month and I think I'm a person जिसके लिए birthday पूरी month होता है और सिर्फ birthday date के दिन नहीं है. So this video is going to be about my birthday glow up, what all I do. Like I have been this person waking up at 2 p.m., 1 p.m., whatever I wish to, and like not eating my meals on time, and just like I had acne, but now you can see it because of my makeup, and it's healing. So yeah, I think a birthday glow up is very much necessary, and I'm turning 21, so we can't be the same person entering our 20s. No. This is a birthday glow up video and I'm gonna be taking you through it, what all I do, how I do it and everything, and you can maybe take some inspiration for your birthday as well. So now the first thing on this birthday glow up, whatever you call it, birthday glow up challenge or birthday glow up, we are going to get our hair colored. So I got a haircut like only a few weeks back, and like I like the haircut a lot. Like it's layers, face shape layers, and I don't know the exact name of my haircut, but yeah, it's some layers, and yeah, I like the length of it. I like everything. Just the only thing that I don't like is the color. So I got my hair colored I think almost 2 years back the last time, and the color is still there on like the lower lengths of my hair, but now I want to get it colored, and I've always like that. The first time I got it colored, I got some mocha brown sort of, because I didn't want to experiment a lot and like end up regretting it, because of course it's gonna be lasting long, right? So this time I am going to experiment with my hair color, and I'm getting a red hair color, which if my parents find out about, they'll throw me out of the home, but we are still going to do it. I have a inspiration picture here. This is what I want to get, like exactly this. Let's go to the hair salon. We have an appointment for 6 p.m. and I'm already late. So my birthday is on 23rd. Today is 10th and I'm going on a birthday trip on 16th. And I'm coming back on 24th. So nearly my birthday is in 6 days, because on the trip, of course, I won't be getting to do any of these, right? So we have 6 days to get the entire makeover done and glow up, not just externally but internally. So let's get started.
Straight, straight. Done with the tattoo. Here it is. I already feel so hot in my rep era. Like I think half of the glow up is complete here, but it's still left. So you guys will see the next things in the video. Then we went, after the tattoo, we went to a cafe called August Cafe, and we had yum coffee and pasta, and Ashrika is there on a call. After that, we are just walking around clicking pictures and then back to home. So I'll see you guys in the next glow up section.
Hi! So when I started this vlog, I was at a very messy condition, as you all saw. We have made some progress with our hair and the tattoo. But the next thing on our list is to get our nails done. And so basically, I used to get like gel, gel overlays for like every month. I used to get it every month usually. I didn't want to damage my nails a lot, and that's why I gave it like some breather. And I've not done anything to my nails for the past, I think, 2.5, 3 months. I did not even get my nails done during Diwali. So we are going to get our nails. So we are going to go. So we are going to go and get our nails done. I have some inspo that I found through Pinterest, and then I sent a poll on my Instagram broadcast channel so that you all can pick my nails. And we have some inspo, but let's get ready.
So our nails are done. I'll show you guys properly at home, but the nails look so good. Like, I love it. I think I've never gotten something like this before. I forgot to, vlog during the service because I was just so relaxed because I had just gotten my pedicure done as well. So yeah, I'll go home and show you guys properly, but this is how they look, if you can see.
Okay, I'm back and we have our nails done. I don't know if you all can see it properly, but this is how they look, and I absolutely love it. I've not gotten anything like this ever. And so this hand, which is my left hand, had the usual growth that I have and I need. And my right hand nails, even if they were growing, they used to break every time. So मैंने बहुत मुश्किल से बहुत ट्राई किया, बट फिर भी नहीं हुआ राइट हैंड के नेल्स ग्रो लाइक कंपेयर टू माय लेफ्ट हैंड. The length was more in left, and then there was nothing, almost nothing in the right hand. So I got extensions done on the right hand, and my normal nails, I got the same nail art and everything done. So I got extensions for the first time, and I think it's quite fine. Like, if I would have had it in both of my hands, then I think the efficiency would have been a little less, because I do think that it feels like weird on your hands. I don't know. I got extensions in first time, maybe that's why. And I've also heard that they damage your nails a lot, so I'm not going to get them done again and again. I'll try and grow my nails, let them grow. But I love it. I love how they look, and it was exactly just. I think it's very, very like almost 95% close to the inspiration that I had. And yeah, so we have our nails done, we have our hair colored, and we have our tattoo done. So the 3 things that I wanted to do majorly to glow up as a 21-year-old is now complete. So now for the last part of this video, I would like to talk to you guys about something that's... So for the last part of this video, I would like to talk to you... For the last part of this video, I would like to talk to you guys about my goals that I achieved this year and some of the goals that I have for the next year. So let me just quickly open my laptop. And so I made a wish list. So when I turned 20 last year, I sat down and I made a wish list, which is in my notes app. This is not like limited to any year or so, but like it's the overall wish list of what I want at this point of my life, like everything that I want in my life, future or present. I've made like a list of those. It's here, like yeah. So of course I can't share everything, but some of them which I hate was if I talk about my social media goals, which was hitting 150k on IG, I did not. But honestly, I did not even put so much effort. I was just very burnt out and demotivated, and did not put enough efforts on content. So that's why I did not. But we have made a comeback on Instagram, and I hit 41k recently. I was stuck at 38, like I grew till 40.6, and then it went back. I started losing followers till 38, and then we have come back and we have hit 41k. So hopefully we are going to achieve 150k very, very soon. Manifesting. I wanted to hit 100k on LinkedIn. Again, I did not put in much efforts. I think this year I was just very focused on my health, because I think I went through all the possible health issues this year. But so that's why I could not put in much efforts even on LinkedIn. So did not hit 100k, but we hit 30k. So that's also some progress. I wanted to start YouTube and hit 5,000 subscribers. I started YouTube and I hit 1,000 subscribers recently. So I think that's also some progress there. I wanted to, speak on stages. Like I had written TEDx and Josh Talk. Like in total, I wanted to speak at 5 different places. I gave one Josh Talk. TEDx अब तक नहीं हो पाया, but hopefully soon. I was also invited at NMIMS Narsimhanji College in Mumbai. So that's the second thing, and I think I am very much grateful for both these opportunities. I wanted to do brand deals with known brands. I did one with Reebok, which was one of my dream brands to work with. I also did a brand deal with Cure Veda on my Instagram, which is a protein powder brand to whom and I adore their products a lot because a lot of people in my family have been using them. So yes, we did brand deals as well. Not a lot, but yes, we did. I wanted to get invited on creator events, and I think I attended my first ever event as a creator, like an invited event as a creator, on by Drizzy Innovations. They are a tech company, and they invited me to cover their event and make a reel out of it. Then I also got invited by the Soul Store for their Halloween bash. So these are some events that I got invited to, and I'm super grateful for that. So I did one in Delhi, I did one in Pune, and I also wanted to do 4 meetups this year: Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune. I did one in Delhi, I did one in Bangalore, I did one in Mumbai. Pune I could not, but yeah, that's still some progress, a lot of progress in fact. So these were some of my goals regarding my social media. In terms of my business and revenue, I wanted to hit $5,000 per month, and I did. I wanted to have a team of 5 people. I had a team of 10. I have a team of 10 people. So I wanted to do UGC for big brands. I did. I worked with Doodle Plus. I worked with Krishna Ayurveda, like a lot of big brands. So yeah, it's done. I wanted to have a consistent flow of leads, which I was getting. So that's ticked off. I wanted to host 10 workshops of my own, the freelance workshops that I used to do. I hosted 10 workshops. I wanted to start investing. I had written 5 to 10,000, but I've started investing actually 50,000 per month. So that's ticked off as well. I ticked off my revenue goal. I wanted to, hit 40 lakhs. That 40 lakhs was my revenue goal. I surpassed that number. And then in terms of travel, I wanted to travel once every quarter, and I took a trip every quarter. I went to Goa, I went to Nainital, I then went to Bangalore to meet my best friend. I went to Panchwani near Mumbai, and I'm going again on my birthday now. So yes, travel goals ticked off. I wanted to take a solo trip, but I could not. I wanted to take a girls trip with Carrie and Shrestha. Carrie is my best friend and Shrestha is a very close friend. So I am taking a trip with Carrie now, and I could not with Shrestha, but hopefully very very soon. Shrestha, if you're watching this, please let's take a trip. I wanted to meet one of my friends who used to live in UK, and she came back to India this year, so we met. This is a picture of us. So yeah, that's something that I have done. New skills that I wanted to learn. I wanted to learn to run Facebook ads, which I'm learning right now. I wanted to learn to edit videos, which I have started, but I think that I don't know if I want to learn this skill or not. I wanted to learn to cook 5 new dishes, and I think I've cooked so many different types of things this year. I made rice, paper rolls. I made like a healthy pasta with like spinach, and I made a healthy pasta with like capsicum and tomato. I did not ever try this recipe, so वो भी एक progress है. Then I learned to make so many different salads and salad dressings. So yes, we did learn 5 new dishes. I wanted to learn eye makeup, which I did. I think I nailed my Halloween eye makeup. So, and also the one that I did for my Diwali shoot. So yes, we learned eye makeup. I wanted to build some habits, which is meditation or gratitude. I think I have done quite good with gratitude. I am still like work in progress with meditation. I wanted to start journaling, which I did. I wanted to start playing a sport. I could not. I wanted to start reading. I started, but then I read 2 books. I wanted to read 10, but नहीं हो पाया, 2 पे छोड़ दिया.
फिर से start करना है. I wanted to become very consistent with my skincare, which I did. So that's some progress there. Other things I had written that will make me happy is watch 1 or 2 movies every month. I am obsessed with watching series now. Earlier I didn't get time, but अब मेरे पास काफी time होता है तो I watch it. And I wanted to go on treks. I did not go on a trek, but when I went to Nainital, we did have a trek. So yeah, I wanted to shift to a good location. When I wrote this, I was living like outside Mumbai, on the outskirts of it. I shifted in to Goregaon now, and like of course I have a good flat and everything. I made it like however Pinteresty I could. So yeah, I wanted to start waking up early, but not. I wanted to meet mostly Sen and Priyanka Chopra. Of course, this was not this year's goals. I can meet, of course, in the future. And then I had made a wish list that I want to buy a luxury bag. I bought a Coach bag. You can watch the unboxing video on my Instagram. So yes, I wanted to invest in branded formal outfits. I did. I wanted to get iPhone 15 Pro or get an iPad. Got an iPad. I wanted to set up like a studio sort of. I wanted to have studio lights, a mic and a camera. I bought DJI. I bought a good mic. And I got quite some lights as well. So yeah, I wanted to buy a diamond ring for my mom. I did. I wanted to buy a good, like I wanted to buy good wardrobe, like redo my wardrobe basically. And I wanted to shop from brands. Like last year I was really broke, guys. So don't laugh at my wish list. Like these things are very big for me. Like buying from Zara, Savannah, Bannick, all of these I bought. I wanted to buy dream makeup products like Rare Beauty, Charlotte Tilbury, MAC, all of these. My friend is coming from UK and I bought those products. I got Charlotte Tilbury, I got Fenty Beauty, and a lot more. So yes, we did that. I wanted to. This is a necessity, not a wish list. I was dumb. I wanted to get medical insurance for me and my family because for the longest time my dad did not did that, and I didn't want to make the same mistake. So I got them and for myself as well. I wanted to eat more greens. I am work in progress. I wanted to exercise at least thrice a week. Thrice तो नहीं हो पाया, 2 times तो फिर भी हो जाता है हफ्ते में. I wanted to start taking protein powder. Started. These are some of my relationship goals with my boyfriend. I wanted to take 2 good trips with him together. We went to Goa and then we went to Nainital. So yes, done. I wanted to celebrate our 2nd year anniversary like the grand way, but I could not because उस time मेरी I had to be admitted to a hospital, तो admit होना पड़ा था and सबकी वजह से नहीं हो पाया था. But yes, थोड़ा celebrate किया था. Celebrating birthdays together, we did. We celebrated his birthday and then we will be celebrating my birthday as well. So yeah, and we wanted to go on a date at least once a month, which we were able to do as well. So these are some of the goals that I accomplished, and the rest of it which I could not, I look forward to achieving them while being 21. So this is it for this video. If you all like this video, please like this. If you all like this video, please press the like button, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of these videos, and stay tuned for all the birthday vlogs and birthday trip vlogs that are coming. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.